Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the date and time section, and if you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to firstly disable automatic date and time. Here you can set your date, here you can set your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling automatic time zone. And you can change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour, and you can also change your date format. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.